for taking the time to join me today. I'm Heather with the Human Resources team here at Wagstaff. Wagstaff is a company that specializes in custom engineering work and building very large industrial equipment for the aluminum casting industry. Now, our aluminum casting machines are used by our customers, and our customers are taking molten aluminum, they're pouring that molten aluminum into our equipment, and then our equipment is responsible for solidifying that aluminum into either an ingot, which is a slab of aluminum, or a billet, which is a cylinder shape made out of aluminum. Now, a lot of times what our customers then do is they take that aluminum and they sell it to other customers who may take it and use that for creating parts for airplanes, parts of the Ford F-150. It may be used for door frames, tinfoil, aluminum pop cans. There's so many different ways that we can use aluminum in the manufacturing environment. Now, just for reference, our equipment is very large in scale. So just for reference, the cylinder that supports our equipment fits on the back of a semi, and that's the only piece that goes on the semi. We also need to use cranes in order to extract those ingots and billets from the casting pits once they've been solidified. Our Wagstaff Applied Technologies division specializes in custom machining and engineering work. They've done work in the nuclear and defense industries, in the OEM industry, and there's a lot of custom machining work out there that our Applied Technologies division is very well equipped to be able to undertake. One of the really cool projects that we've gotten to do here at Wagstaff through this division are glove boxes, which are used for the nuclear industry, which are huge boxes that take very, very specialized welding, machining, and in collaboration with our engineering departments have been a great success here at Wagstaff. In previous years at Wagstaff, we have had internship opportunities posted. Now, for this year, I don't know just yet as to what our internship opportunities may look like, but to give reference to what we've done historically, we've had a couple mechanical and engineering internships. We've had some years where we've also had 1 or 2 business internships as well. For mechanical and electrical engineering, those are project-based, and you work with some members of our production engineering and 3D design teams working on, maybe a piece of our aluminum casting systems or some seed models with our 3D group. And in electrical, they'll work with the automation and maybe even some projects working with R&D. Now, for our internships, we do post those on our career website. So if we get approval to have internships for 2021, we would post those on our careers website. We do have our careers webpage linked down below in the description box, so please feel free to check that out and check back periodically to see if those postings have gone up. Now, for those of you who are looking to graduate here in the next coming months, congratulations, we're so excited for you. For those of you who are in electrical engineering, we do have an opportunity that's currently posted for our electrical technician position in our technical services department. In that role, you will work very closely with our customers for the installation and commissioning of our equipment. You'll use problem solving to troubleshoot and work with our PLC and SCADA systems. If you're interested in applying for this position, please take a moment to go down to that description box and check out our careers webpage. If you have any questions about either internship opportunities or the electrical technician position, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Human Resources team here at Wagstaff. Our contact information for our email and our phone number has been listed down below.